I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking bacon and eggs in the air fryer. So we just need eggs, bacon, seasonings of your choice. I'll just use salt and pepper. And we need a pan that fits inside the air fryer. I'm going to spray it with a non-stick cooking spray so the eggs and bacon don't stick. And I will put it inside the air fryer basket. So next I'm going to crack 2 eggs in a bowl and whisk it. And also season them. Sprinkle the salt and pepper. Whisk with a fork. And now I will pour eggs in a pan that fits in the air fryer. And I'm just going to add a few slices of bacon on top of the eggs. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 6 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these bacon and eggs. It looks amazing. Perfectly cooked, ready to eat. Now let's take it out. Looks so delicious. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. Perfectly cooked egg and bacon. So delicious. You're going to love cooking bacon and eggs in the air fryer. It's so easy, no stove, no mess. It just cooks it all at once. Perfect breakfast. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for easy air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!